Good day, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome to Bad English. Today, I want to talk about the sound k, 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 k. Here is sometimes spelled ch in some English words. The first one here is heckle, 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 heckle. Scheme, scheme, scheme. School, school, school. Chorus, 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 chorus. Archaic, archaic, archaic. Hague, hague, hague. Choir, choir, choir. Mechanic, 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 mechanic. Melancholy, melancholy, melancholy. Christ, Christ, Christ. Christian, 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 Christian. Archive, archive, archive. Patriarch, 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 patriarch. Chimera, 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 chimera. Chrome, chrome, chrome. Backache, backache, backache. Chaos, chaos. Charisma, charisma, charisma. Psychology, psychology. Chemical, chemical, chemical. Chameleon, 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 chameleon. Orchestra, 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 orchestra. Chemistry, chemistry, chemistry. Monarch, monarch, monarch. Chord, chord, chord. Matriarch, matriarch, matriarch. Cholera, cholera, cholera. Hierarchy, hierarchy, hierarchy. Stomach, stomach. Character, character, character. This is where I'll stop today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.